Quick update from the Amazon Tools League showing you the best Amazon keyword tools in October 2025 in the Startup Brand Scoring System. So let's have a look at it right here. Going up into the bronze medalists, Helium 10 and Jungle Scout, then Amalyze in second, and finally, number one, DataDive right now. So of course, their newest features will have helped them a lot, especially also the new feature alert for ASIN variation tracking, right? So that you actually know which one of your listings variations is tracking, ranking for a specific keyword, right? And if you know, it's not one of your best converting or best click-throughing products that is actually visible, then maybe you should, switch around what you're pushing with your ads. So that really powerful. And also what they introduced a few months back, which is including the Search Query Performance Report data within the Rank Radar section. So that also extremely powerful, right? To quickly find out, how am I actually converting for those keywords? What is my click-through rate again? And then also on campaign level, really powerful. What is my performance over there aggregated? So really cool stuff that has propelled them to the top in recent months, as you can see here. For example, in this section, as I just mentioned, they are one of the few that even have that data, and they also show it in the best possible way for now compared to others, right? There's always maybe some better way to do it, but right now, DataDive topping the way in these features. And like I said just now, also showing the parent-child split over here. So those are a couple of new features that have helped them in the rankings. And one more thing that's actually new, they are offering a $497 masterclass when you sign up via my link. So that is only available in October, I believe. So you might want to check that out pretty quickly as soon as you see this. And you'll see the link down below. Follow that, and then you'll get that masterclass course completely for free as well. And if you want the whole tool, then you also get this discount for DataDive for the first 6 months, 10% off. So yeah, that's it for this little update. I'll make another video shortly about the best keyword tracking tools and as well as the best keyword research tools. So I'll see you around for those. Bye-bye.